Updating your email address on Skyscanner is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Skyscanner website or open the app and log into your account using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or account section of the website or app. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, look for an option related to email preferences or personal information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. You will see your current email address displayed. Enter your new email address in the designated field and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click this to confirm the changes and ensure your new email address is updated in the system. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from Skyscanner to verify the update. Following these steps will help you keep your account information accurate and up to date.